All right, welcome back to LearnWire. I'm only going to be getting one video out today, but it is an important video because the first part of the video, we are going to be doing the giveaway drawing. So we will be revealing the winner from last week's giveaway, and we are giving away Wordkraft Tier 3. So the Tier 3 is actually 117 bucks. This deal on Wordkraft actually ends in less than 24 hours, so it's perfect timing. I need to go and pick this software up so I can give it to the winner. I'm going to scroll down here. I just wanted to see what you get in Tier 3. I'm not always going to be able to give away the highest tier of these softwares, but this one's going to be 100,000 words a month. You get the long form editor and the image generator tool. But Wordkraft is really, really fun to use. I think it has a really good workflow. It's probably it's a good AI software for definitely those that don't have an all-in-one. This one has keyword research built in, has images that you can add to the articles, and it has really good content length. So this is a really good overall AI writer. So I'm happy to give this away to the winner. So what I've done is we've come over here to the channel, right? And we look at the channel and we look at last week. So the last giveaway drawing was, let's see over here, the giveaway winner, right? Last Monday, we gave that one away. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We had 10 videos that have come out since then. So what I've done is I combined all of these right here, all these 10 videos, and I basically am using my premium tool. I'm actually paying for this tool because it has some features that I'm using to make it better. But I got all the comments and downloaded them into one spreadsheet, and you will be able to see we have all of those right here. 344 comments. So appreciate you guys and the support, and for you participating, all of you that have participated in this giveaway. Super cool stuff. And you can see that for each video, the software works really, really well because for each video, you'll be able to see right here, just to show you that this is multiple comments in one day from that user, but you can see that it's they're all unique videos, right? So like I said, every video you get you get to like basically have one ticket, if you will, for each video. So if you commented on all 10 videos, and you would have basically, in theory, you'd have 10 entries, unique entries, if you will. So you can see right here, the whole list of folks right here. Okay, so we're going to take all these. I'm going to just go like this and the shift end down, go all the way to the bottom, make sure we get all of them. There's LearnWire right there. So I'll actually make sure to remove that. I'm going to copy all those, and then we're going to go over here to the software real quick. And I'm going to go over to winner pickers and random name picker right here. I'm going to paste all of those in right here. And then I'm going to go number of winners, we're going to get one winner, and we're going to go the wheel of names, which is super cool. Look at that. Wow. There's like a lot of people. You won't be able to see your name on there, but you'll be able to see that. We'll try the spinner. With that many comments, it actually looks kind of funny on here. We could go back to, but I don't want to mess with anything right now. Let's go to advanced settings, and then I want to spin this for 5 seconds, and the color of the winner, I'm going to make it green. And I thought that there was a place that I could exclude a name, but I'm not seeing that. So let's see. I mean, I don't think I have LearnWire anywhere else. LearnWire was only on there one time, so I just removed that. So, all right, so you can see all those 344 names are in there. Multiple chances for each person that left a comment on each video. We've got it set to spin for 5 seconds. You can see everybody's in here. Last 10 videos. Whoever wins this gets Wordkraft Tier 3. This is fun. Let's do this. It is spinning. It is spinning for 5 seconds, and here we go. Who won? We have right over here, Alamayo. You won right here. I don't think I have the comment displaying right there, but we have Alamayo. You are the winner. You are the lucky winner of Wordkraft Tier 3. So all you have to do is email me. Let me put that up on the screen. All you have to do is just email learnwirereviews@gmail.com. Bigger for you. learnwirereviews@gmail.com. Email me from the account that you posted your comment on, and I will send you the code. All right. Thank you all for participating. This will just be a quick video to display the winner. And then I will have more content coming really, really quickly for you guys. All right. Thank you guys so much. All right. Take care.